Welcome back. Guess what? We're going to Durban. Welcome back, my sabbies. We're going on a trip and I'm taking you with me. Outfit of the day: black skirt, green top, and my handbag, my purple Crocs. We've arrived at the airport. Let's go to the lounge and have something to eat before our flight. We're really early. We're quite early. I think we're like 2 hours early. Puppy time. Let's go. We're about to board. We have boarded. Now we're on our way to Durban. So cool. I got the window seat. Look. No, it's the vlog. Oh. The camera. Look at the sea. Can you see the ocean? See the wind and the sail at the sea. It calls to me. No, no. So the window's dirty. Safely landed. Ta-da! We had a good trip, the safe trip, a bit bumpy, but we made it. Hi! We have arrived at the Airbnb. We're so excited and we can't wait to go to the beach later on today. Woo. Who's gonna carry these ladies? It's so beautiful. So beautiful. This is the second room. Yes. Okay. This is our bathroom. And that's the tub. And the mirror. It's so pretty. This room is so pretty. This room is so beautiful. This whole house is gorgeous, and you can see the beach from the bedroom. Look, we have an ocean view. Isn't that beautiful? And this is our balcony area. So beautiful. The houses are literally by the beach. Isn't that pretty? Wow. This kitchen is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Such a pretty kitchen. Look at the monkey. Look at the monkey. Let's go to the beach. Made it to the beach. Beach once again. How beautiful. Now I want to know, how do we get in the ocean? Because there's rocks. How do we get to the ocean? We're done swimming. It's time to go back to the house now. But look at the view, it's so pretty. I think I have to come back here tomorrow morning. The beach houses are so stunning, guys. I want to live by the beach.
Oh, the weather.
I'll see you later. Okay, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next vlog.
Oh, yeah,